How to attract women effortlessly. If you have trouble with this, if you aren't seeing the results of your hard work, of your masculine journey, stick with me. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to attract effortlessly women and the things you actually desire in your life. Happiness. You want happiness. You want to be on that frequency of gratitude, man. That is where good things happen. This is where progress is made. This is how you don't stay stuck. So listen up. By the end of this video, you're gonna have a clear idea of what you can do today. Right now, you can do this right now and change your vibe. Completely flip-flop your frequency so that you attract what you want. So before I begin, I want to quickly announce I have a 10-day meditation workshop in the description. Click the link. Tell me how you like it, man. It'll do you right. So first and foremost, man, you got to meditate, because if your energy is all fucking out of whack, you're not getting anywhere. You will attract what you are. Very important to remember that. You attract what you are. Now, when I started this journey, man, I attracted such toxic women and toxic friends into my life because that's the frequency I was on. Now, my wants and desires and my needs and all those things, they were just like yours. I wanted the beautiful women. I wanted the easy life, man. I wanted to make money. I wanted to be happy, okay, and present. That's all I ever wanted. But none of that happened because I was on the wrong frequency. The first thing that you must understand, you have options, because in your aura, the vibe that you give off are your options. Who you think you are and what you deserve, those are your options. You can't just constantly look into the world through this eyeglass of bullshit and think of yourself as unworthy and then sit around and cry about not having the big time stuff, the beautiful women, okay, the dream life. It's not like that, dude. You must cleanse. Now, how do we cleanse? Not going to go too deep. Going to keep it short and sweet for you. In your 7 chakras, you must cleanse these energy cells so that they work for you and not against you. That's all you have to know. Do a little research. Find out where the blocks are by meditating. It will come to you. It is truly that easy. It's not some technique. It's not some guru's gonna fucking tell you how to cleanse your blocks and let go of these things. No, man. Take the time to sit with yourself and focus on one area, one of your chakras, and you will see there is no abundance in that chakra. It is desolate. It has blocks. There's no energy there. And the visions that you have, because when you close your eyes, don't you ever wonder why you can still see why things happen? Those are the visions you need to pay attention to. Okay? Don't just do away with them. When you focus on, say, your sacral chakra, and you really focus and put your energy there, you will see exactly what is blocking you. And then you handle it. And when you handle it, more abundance comes into your life. Also, the options that you want come into your life because you get on the frequency of abundance by cleansing those things. You are always pushing out energy into the world. Constantly. Constantly. You are manifesting everything in your life right now. Everything. If you continue to let that just be at the will of the universe and allow yourself to decay and crumble into sadness and depression and bullshit and not trying, then you will get exactly what you are. Why not take 2 seconds to step back and look internally, handle the blocks, do the real work. And in turn, man, by being honest with yourself, super fucking important. If you take anything away from this video, be honest with yourself. On your journey, be consciously aware of the honesty that you provide to you. When you wake up and look in the mirror in the morning, be honest. Be honest. Start from where you are on your journey. Then you will see progress. And that's how you attract great things into your life and women. Because listen, man, if you get on that frequency of abundance and you are cultivating your masculinity, opposites will attract. And you will attract a positive, enlightened, good person into your life. Okay? That's not full of fucking bullshit and baggage from their life that they've lived in, maybe relationships, family matters, who knows, man. And above all else, because you're cultivating masculinity, positive, true, honest, man energy, you will attract feminine women. And that's what we want over here, man. So if you want more information about how to cultivate your masculine energy in a correct, positive, honest way, click the link in the description, man. Take the course. It's absolutely free. I'll see you in the next one.